Hello, welcome to Recruit Go. I'm Jan, and I'll be showing you how to approve the billing and payroll in the AOR app. From the app dashboard, start by clicking on Payment. Select the billing and payroll you want to approve. For example, one with pending status. Click the three dots to view transactions. Open the breakdown summary to review the billing details. Scroll down to check the employee-specific payroll details. Once reviewed, click the Approve button. A confirmation will pop up if you want to proceed for approval. If yes, click Approve. Now you will receive an email confirmation that the billing and payroll has been already approved. Then the status will change from pending to approved. Thank you for joining the quick tour and being a valued partner. If you need any help, you may reach us at support@recruitgo.com.